Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm sharing my quick 10-minute makeup look for when you just want to get out the door. It's the one that I use when I want to look put together fast but still feel confident and fresh. This is perfect for women 50 and over. Of course, the makeup routine also works for all ages as well. Now, in terms of combining time, I'm going to be mixing a primer and a foundation in one. Well, I'm going to be mixing two products in one. I'm using the By Terry Brightening CC Serum in Sunny Flash, and I'm going in with the Chanel No. 1 foundation. So just going to combine these two together and apply it on the face. Apply 2 pumps on the back of my hand, 2 pumps or maybe 3 pumps of the Chanel foundation, and I'm going to be applying that with my fingers. You can go ahead and use a brush if you don't want to use your fingers at all, but this just saves time instead of just putting on the primer. Of course, you don't have to use a primer, but I like to use a primer always because it hydrates the skin and it really does help to make the makeup go on smoother. Make sure you do have a towel on hand to wipe your hands after. Don't be afraid to work the rest of the remaining product down the neck. I'm going to go ahead and apply my lipstick now, just because I feel like I have foundation lips. So today I'm using a cream lip cream by Sigma, and it's just a beautiful color. I think it's in the shade Begonia, and it's really just a lip gloss, but it's not actually glossy. Well, it is glossy, but it's more of a cream, like a liquid cream. This color is like a very light pink peachy color. Today I'm using the Sigma concealer. It's like a 2-in-1 color corrector and concealer. So just dabbing a little bit of that together. This is actually in the light to medium range. And just applying that concealer under the eyes. This is a very, very long lasting concealer, which I find don't need to powder underneath. It sort of dries down to like a natural matte finish, and this concealer definitely works best applied with the fingers. Making sure to go up to the corners of the eye and make sure to blend inner corner of the eye as well. When you highlight the inner corners of the eyes, it does give you a more wide effect look. Now it's time for some cream blush, or you can use a powder blush. Now I have this powder blush by Mob Beauty. It's a beautiful sort of apricot shade, and I also have an oldie but a goodie Cherry Blossom nude sticks. This is the Nudies Bloom, and I thought I'd pull this out today for a beautiful pop of pink color. So I'm going to be using the cream blush today, and I definitely applied way too much. Oh my goodness, whoa. I didn't realize that it was kind of not melted, but it was actually kind of in a melted spot, so to speak. Again, fingers to dab that beautiful colored blush in. Now this color will really liven up the face, and just people will be so happy to see you because they'll be like, wow, you just look so flushed and healthy. Don't be afraid to take that over the bridge of the nose as well. Going to be going in with brows now. I'm using the Morphe Brow Gel. This is Brow Tease, and literally this product coats the brows so effortlessly and easy. Now, for those of you who watch my channel on a regular basis, you know that my favorite one and done is the Milk Kush Fiber Brow Gel, as well as the NYX Brow Glue. But I'm changing it up a little bit. I have a lot of products to get through, and this is one of my favorites as well. I hope you guys have all been well, and would love to know what you have been loving in the makeup world. Have you purchased anything new? Are you thinking makeup's quite boring as of late? It's all the reinventing the wheel kind of stuff, you know, been there, done that. For me it has been, literally. I'm going to pause the video because mascara does take a little bit of time, so I'm just going to be applying some mascara on the top and bottom lashes. I am using the Kevyn Aucoin, the Volume Lash Mascara, and then we will come back, and I think that might be the end of the makeup tutorial. Actually, I was going to say, I did have another lipstick I was going to use today. Actually, it is one of my favorites, sort of like a lip balm, but it's actually a lipstick. Giorgio Armani Lip Power lipstick, and this is a very nice nude shade. So I was going to apply that, but I went ahead with the lip cream by Sigma because I really felt like using that. Now you can also definitely go in with a bronzer, a cream bronzer like this one by Rare Beauty. Works so beautifully. As a matter of fact, let's just put a little bit on now. Why not? Fingers again, just to work that in. See, it just blends so easily. And fingers are so underrated. So underrated. Definitely don't be afraid to use your fingers. Okay, I'll apply mascara and be right back. And that's it, guys. I just applied mascara on the top and bottom lashes. Just 10 minutes to feel like yourself. Let me know in the comments what are your must-haves for a quick makeup look. And if you found this video helpful, please feel free to like and consider subscribing to my channel. It's free, and consider sharing it with someone who you think might get some use out of this video. Again, thank you all so much for your support. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day or night, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.